You know what I miss? I miss my green table. I will have to get a green table or a covering for it. Anyway, this is my trusty old, and it is quite old in technology terms. It's 2 years old now, and it needs a damn good clean. It's scratched. It's travelled a long way with me. Now, I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. Well, you might not be able to see, but this is the power button, and it doesn't work anymore. So the parts of the side of it has sunken down. There's 2 tactile switches, I think it must be, and the left hand one has completely disappeared. That disappeared about 12 months ago, and the right one, it just won't turn on anymore. So I've got no choice. I've got to take it apart. Whether it's going to go back together again and work, who knows. These bolts, they're actually bolts now. They're not the same as the original ones. The original ones were like horrible little screws. So I think within probably 3 months I took them out because they wore out, because I do clean this very frequently, and I haven't done it for a while, as you can probably see, but I always clean it. So what we need to do now is get this off. Now, from what I remember, where was the best place? I think it was it on the back? And it literally just pops off. Yeah, there. So you get your finger in the corner, and when it's new, it doesn't come off very easily. So I need to clean all that out. That's full of shit. Now, oh, look at the fans. I've got to take all these fans out because they're just disgusting, so they've got to be cleaned out. Actually, I think I'll do that first. I think that's got to come off, which I really can't remember how. But that's to the screen. So I've got to be very careful. Is that like that? And then you pull. Yes. Bloody hell, that's delicate. I'm going to have to take the whole heatsink off. I don't even know if you'll be able to see this, but this is the power button. That is the contact area. Now what's happened is this flexible piece of plastic here has broken off. So what I've done is got some epoxy and glued something on the back, which you can't see, but I've glued that piece there onto the back of this flexible piece that broke off. So hopefully, no, it's set. Hang on. Hopefully the button still moves, which it does. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reassemble it, and then we'll see if it bloody well works this time. But like I say, I've got a problem with it. It keeps cutting. When I'm processing videos, it keeps cutting out. It keeps blue screening. So I know there's something majorly wrong with it. Patreon link in the description if you want to help me out. Buy a new laptop, because there's no way can I afford a new one. Just to stop it here, look. Can you see that? That carpet in there. This is what happens, you see. You get this unbreathable, in both of them now, unbreathable area. Although I'll clean this out about once every couple of months. Look at that. So I've got to clean all that out. I'll get my toothbrush and just scrub it, blow it. Job's a good one. If your lid, when you open it up, it's all floppy, it's usually because of these screws here. They usually come loose, so it's always pays to make sure that they're tight as well. So I can now clean this off outside, which is full of, well, there's not that much dust in it. It was in the fans basically. So I'll clean that off and then I can put it back on. When you're cleaning these out, I know this toothbrush is dirty, but get your toothbrush, go along it like that and just blow it gently as you're doing it. That gets rid of all the crap. If you get somebody who's a smoker, that is the worst possible laptop you could possibly look at. Purely because, yeah, they can die of the big C basically. I'll tell you a true story, actually, hang on. While I'm putting this back on, I'll tell you a true story, right? I used to fix anything. I'm working in the UK and I was in the call centre and this Indian woman walks up to me and she said, "Hello, is your name Tony?" And I said, "Yes." And she said, "Apparently you can fix anything." And I said, "Yes." And she said, "Can you fix my laptop for me?" I said, "Oh, we ain't got much time spare, you know." I said, "But I've always got time for foreigners." And I didn't realise what I'd said. She just walked off and I never spoke to her again. Now, think into that. Yeah, I did say it. I didn't even think, to be honest. And I've just broken the cardinal rule. Is I put all the case screws in before I bloody tested it. But anyway, here goes. Do we have a power button? Yes, it's there. Does it come on? Hang on. It bloody well works. I'm going to clean all this and then it's lovely. Everything's going to be perfect. For the screen, window cleaner and a piece of kitchen towel, as you wouldn't clean a normal window. And this, you'll probably have to go over it 2 or 3 times to get it absolutely perfect. But window cleaner is the best thing you could ever use. And someone's going to say, "Ah, but I use blah 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 blah." I don't care. You don't want to put too much on because you don't want it dripping down into the casing. I've done laptops in the past, no word of a lie. One bloke who was working at the time, I'm not even going to say the company we were doing the laptops for, but he found a toenail. That was it. Actually found a toenail underneath one of the keys because they were reporting that the keys don't work properly. A toenail. So, bit of alcohol over the keyboard. This kitchen towel isn't the best. You need that, I don't know what it's called now. Plenty, I think it was called in the UK. That's the sort of stuff that you need, that stays. It doesn't tear, it doesn't go into bits like this does. There you go. One mint condition laptop. Here's a tip, right? When you're using a toothbrush, don't use one that says man. Use one that says lady. That's always the best. Don't use your own. And then you can put it back afterwards. Look, nobody would ever know that had been used. Right. I can now fire my laptop up and use it again. Now I've fixed the power button, although it still feels shit, but it does work, as I will demonstrate. I now have a fixed laptop.